guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. Today we're gonna make the curl defining and hydration hair custard. This is an all natural hair custard which is gonna help hydrate your hair for days. It is also gonna prevent hair fall and help you retain length. Also, it's gonna give some definition to your curls. This custard is also gonna boost hair growth. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna need some pure unrefined organic shea butter, and this is about 200 grams. Then you're gonna need some vegetable glycerin. This is very good for hydration. You're also gonna need your favorite leave-in conditioner, and this is for the smell. So if you don't mind the smell, you can do without it. You can also use an essential oil instead. You are gonna need some castor oil too, and this is gonna help with hair growth. You're gonna need some henna oil, and I have a video on how I made this henna oil. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. And finally, you're gonna need some coconut oil, and I also have a video on how I made this coconut oil in the description box. To start, just melt up your shea butter. Then add 3 tablespoonfuls of castor oil. And come in with about 10 tablespoonfuls of glycerin. Now add 1 tablespoonful of henna oil. Then add about 4 teaspoonfuls of coconut oil. And mix everything up gently. Finally, come in with about 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of your favorite conditioner. You can also add a few drops of essential oil instead. Now come in with your mixer and mix everything up. So after mixing for about 2 minutes, this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna come in with the mixer again and mix it for about 2 more minutes. I've been mixing it up for 4 minutes, and this is how it looks like. You can see it's not well mixed, so I'm gonna mix it up again. So a minute more of mixing, and as you can see, it's hardening up a little bit, so I'm gonna mix it up a little bit with my spoon. Then give it the final mix. So here we are now, it is done and it is ready, and as you can see, it looks so good. I'm gonna take an empty clean container and transfer everything inside. So this is it now, and here we are. As you can see, it's very soft and fluffy, and it melts with your body temperature. So you can use it on wet hair to define your curls, or you can use it as an everyday leave-in conditioner. This will really hydrate your hair, and you're gonna say goodbye to dry hair. It is also gonna reduce shrinkage. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you liked it. Give it a try and let me see how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, and until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye!